SVS Prime Elevation Speakers Review. Height effects and immersive audio made simple. Feeling frustrated with your current home theater setup? Sounds that are vague, muddled, or misaligned can really take the magic out of movies. Drop a comment if you've struggled to get overhead effects right. Many of us have been there. Let's talk about a way to bring crystal clear, immersive sound to every corner of your room. Long hours tweaking speaker placement, trying to hit that perfect balance, can leave you stressed and burned out. Imagine achieving full Dolby Atmos and DTS effects without ripping into ceilings or rearranging your entire living room. What if there was a smarter, flexible way to hit precision audio that works with your space instead of against it? The SVS Prime Elevation Speakers are a game-changing solution for home theater enthusiasts craving immersive height effects. Compact yet powerful, these speakers feature a 4.5-inch poly mid-range driver and a 1-inch aluminum dome tweeter, delivering clear, detailed sound whether mounted high or low. Their patented multi-angle wall bracket allows precise aiming for front, top, middle, or rear height channels, adapting to nearly any room layout. One user shared how installing these as top-middle speakers instantly transformed rain and helicopter sounds into a lifelike overhead experience, completely immersive without ceiling cuts. Beyond Atmos, they function as LCR, side surround, or stereo speakers, providing ultimate versatility. The premium black ash finish combines sleek modern aesthetics with acoustic performance, while the 8-ohm impedance and 20 to 150 watt compatibility ensure easy integration with most AV receivers. Quick to install, effortlessly aimed, and capable of replacing more complex in-ceiling setups, the Prime Elevation proves that high-fidelity, object-based audio can finally be simple. Don't miss the bonus tip at the end for maximizing surround immersion. See why audiophiles and home theater experts rave about the SVS Prime Elevation. By delivering precise, direct radiating height effects, these speakers enhance every movie, game, or music track with immersive clarity. Industry analysts note that their flexibility solves one of the most common problems: perfect height channel placement. One professional integrator said, "The build quality and micro-adjustable mounting make aiming sound effortless, and sonically they disappear into the soundstage." Users agree. Lightning strikes, flying debris, or rain are positioned perfectly above, creating a three-dimensional audio environment. Their versatility allows them to serve as top, middle, front height, rear height, LCR, or stereo speakers, making them indispensable for adaptive setups. Comment below, which placement would change your setup the most? The acoustically inert cabinet reduces resonance, while the 4.5-inch mid-range and 1-inch tweeter provide dynamic, clean audio. Multiple reviewers highlight that even with a small footprint, these speakers outperform many in-ceiling solutions at a lower price, offering premium sound without compromise. Whether setting up a Dolby Atmos or DTS system, these speakers make immersive audio accessible, practical, and highly enjoyable, giving you both cinematic depth and musical precision. Don't wait to upgrade your home theater with the SVS Prime Elevation Speakers. Join thousands of users who've unlocked immersive overhead sound and flexible placement solutions. With the patented multi-angle wall bracket, quick installation, and exceptional audio clarity, these speakers are ready to transform your movies, games, and music. Click now to secure your pair and experience the full impact of Dolby Atmos or DTS without complicated ceiling installs. Your perfect immersive soundstage is just a step away. Don't miss it.